Alright, here we go. F of x minus g of x. This is f of x. This is g of x. F of x minus g of x. That's all we're doing. We're taking the f function, we're taking the g function, and we're going to subtract them. So now you just combine like terms. Well, that's going to be 4x minus 3, and can we change that to a plus? And that becomes a negative 7 plus x. So, combine the x's. What do you get?
5.
That's 5x. And then combine this and this. Combine these two. What do you get? Minus 10. There it is. This is just saying we're dealing with these functions right here. This is saying take f and subtract g. Okay, here. This is saying take h and multiply it by f. So here's h. X squared minus 2x. And f is right here. And it's just saying multiply these. So we're going to have to FOIL. Okay, we took h times f, and we FOIL. That right there gives us 4x cubed. That right there gives us negative 3x squared. This time this is negative 8x squared. Can I put that underneath here? Don't have to, but it kind of organizes it for me better. And this time this is positive 6x. If we combine all that, what do we get?
4x cubed.
We get a 4x cubed. And when you combine these two, you get negative 11x squared plus 6x. There's your answer. Okay. Number 3, f divided by g. So basically we take f, which is 4x minus 3, and take g, which is 7 minus x. We're done. Those are dumb, but they just practice them. Dividing, you just take them. You can't. If you could simplify it, simplify it. You can't. Like if you could, we haven't actually taught you to simplify, so don't worry about it. Basically, you just put one, put it over the other. Just put the right one. F is on top, G is on bottom. It's actually kind of dumb. Okay, G of f of x. What you see here is f of x is inside of g of x. So first of all, we take g of x. G of x is 7 minus x. Right? G of x is 7 minus x. But what are we going to plug in for x? What does it say is inside of g? What you see inside of g is an f. So we go over here, f is this. So you're going to plug the 4x minus 3 inside of f. Sorry. Here's g. It's in purple. I'm taking f and plugging it into g, the x right there. F is 4x minus 3. G is 7 minus x. Can we simplify this? Yeah. We now have 7 minus 4x. Sorry. Is that okay? Distribute the negative. So what do we got here? We got negative 4x, and then what's 7 and 3? It's plus 10. Okay, so we took the outer was g, and we put f inside of it. Now this one's a little bit different. I'm going to rewrite this as h of g of x. I like this terminology better than this. This open dot means the same thing as this. The first letter is what's on the outside, the second letter is what's on the inside. So, h, in this particular problem, is x squared minus 2 times x. H is x squared minus 2 times x. And what is x? Well, x is g of x. What's g? You're going to substitute in 7 minus x. Can you see how we plugged in g, which is 7 minus x, for both x values of h? Can we simplify this? Yes. Now you simply have 7 minus x times 7 minus x minus, can I distribute this? Wouldn't that be, what is that, minus 14 plus 2x? And if we FOIL this one, it looks like we'll get, let's see, 49 and minus, if we FOIL it, I'm going to do a shortcut, and I won't. 7 times negative x is negative 7x. Negative x times 7 is negative 7x. Negative x times negative x is positive x squared. Are we okay? And then don't we have these two to combine with it? So we still have the minus 14 and the plus 2x still. Can we combine like terms? Yeah, what's the biggest term? X squared. So I have x squared. Next, look at all the x's. Boom, boom, boom. You have negative 14 and a 2x. That makes it a negative 12x. And the last one is, look at the numbers. 49 and negative 15. Negative 14 would be 35. There's my answer. So we took g and plugged it into h, and then we simplified it down.